Hello students, this is your professor Dr. Mink, and this is tutorial 6-3 in which we will demonstrate passing an argument by value to a procedure. So in this we have three event handlers for these three buttons: demo 1, demo 2, demo 3. Let me show you them. So the demo 1 click event handler calls display value a procedure and passes the argument 5. Let's take a look down here. And here's display value, by value, int number as integer. So that argument, in this particular case, 5, gets copied and its value gets pasted into int number. Okay? And then messagebox.show int number to string, boom. That's all display value does. For the second button, demo 2, we call display value 1, 2, 3, 4 times with 4 different arguments: 5, 10, 2, and 16. And you'll see what happens when we do that. And we also, we also call it a 5th time, and we pass 3 plus 5, which will be resolved to 8. So let me show you that running. Okay, demo 2. Okay, there's the 5. There's the 10. There's the 2. 16. And there's the 8. End sub. Okay. Now, the example that I want to show next is button demo 3 click. In button demo 3 click, when we call display value, we're passing int count. Int count is a counter in a for loop. So for int count equals 1 to 10, we're going to call display value and pass the value stored in that variable. So the value stored in int count will be passed by value to int number. So first it'll pass 1, pass 2, pass 3, pass 4, etc., etc. Let me show you that working now. Okay, there's 1. Okay, the loop will iterate. There's 2. So we're actually calling display value again with the value int count, which now equals 2. Call it again. Int count now equals 3, 4, 5. So the value in int count gets copied into int number. There we go. That is a really good example of call by value. And remember, in call by value, we're copying the value stored in the argument being passed. We're not passing the actual variable, we're passing the value stored in the variable. If you try to use a variable that's not been initialized, just declared and doesn't have a value, you'll get a compiler error. Okay? Thanks. I hope that made this more clear. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to either post them in the discussion forum or send me a mail message through the web study mail function. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.